Ni hao, ta cha hao. Welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Today, Aunty is going to show you how I'm going to cook upside down grilled chicken rice. So come, let's join Aunty. Hello friends, welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Today, I'm going to proceed with the cooking. I have 3 chicken thighs here. I already deboned. So I'm gonna marinate this with garlic. I have about 7 cloves of garlic, a little bit of ginger, and black peppercorn. I'm going to grind it later. And of course, this is oyster sauce. I'm going to add together with the ingredients later on. This is the oyster sauce, and I have butter, of course, ajinomoto, and salt. I want to grind the black pepper first. Okay, the black pepper has been very fine already. And now I'm gonna crush garlic. Now I'm gonna crush ginger. I'm gonna proceed with this oyster sauce first. This one I got 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And this one is black pepper. About 3 tablespoons of black pepper also. And a little bit of ajinomoto. And salt. I have about 1.5 teaspoon of salt. I don't want it to be too salty. Okay, that's it. Okay, we mix it. We leave this one aside first. Let it rest for about 20 minutes. Let the ingredient will soak into the meat. I'm preparing the rice. Okay, while waiting for the chicken marinade, Aunty want to stir fry this rice using butter and garlic. Okay, this is butter. I'm gonna crush the garlic. use use about 5 cloves of garlic. Nice smell. Okay, get in the rice. This rice I already washed clean. It all depends on how much rice that you want to cook. Mine is about 4 cups. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt. No need to be too salty. Okay, that's it. This one we put aside for a while. Later on we'll continue with this. Now Auntie want to grill the chicken. It's already 20 minutes. I'm using butter to grill the chicken. Just to grease the pan. I'm grilling it now. Okay. The skin first. Going down. I want to make the skin a bit brown, then I will turn it over. Oh, this is good. Beautiful. Okay, that's it. Not fully cooked, because I'm going to proceed with another step. Okay, I pick it up. Okay. Alright, I'm preparing the chicken meat they already grilled. I'm going to cut it. My following step is that I'm gonna steam this chicken with rice. This is how Auntie do. And this is the rice that I already fried. This is the rice already fried just now. Okay. See? I'm gonna put it into the steamer. Friends, so this is how the chicken meat I already put at the bottom of the rice, and the rice I put on top, and I'm gonna steam this until it's cooked. Okay, stay tuned, guys. Friends, it's cooked already. The upside down grilled chicken rice. See, so nice. And I'm gonna garnish it with cilantro. Okay, and cucumber pickles to go well with this. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you on the next video. May God bless you. Bye-bye.